Do you have a hand-drawn floor plan lying around? What if I told you that you could turn it into a sleek professional CAD-style image in just a few clicks? Stick around, and I will show you exactly how to go from sketch to polished plan. No complicated softwares, no hours of work. Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Step 1. Prepare your hand-drawn plan. Take a clear photo or scan of your hand-drawn floor plan. Make sure the image is well lit. No shadows, no paper edges are visible. The drawing lines are clear. The better the image quality, the better the AI result. Step 2. Generate the perfect prompt. Now we'll use ChatGPT to generate a strong AI prompt. Let's write something like this. Write a detailed prompt to transform a hand-drawn floor plan sketch into a clean CAD-style architectural drawing. Keep the layout exactly the same. Use thin technical lines, black and white, no shading, precise line work, blueprint style. ChatGPT helps structure the prompts professionally, so the AI understands we want a refined technical look, not a redesign. Click to generate. Now copy the prompt. Step 3. Upload to PIXELCUT. Now go to PIXELCUT and upload your hand-drawn floor plan. I'll leave the link in the description section. Sign up with the link. When you sign up, you have a free credit of 368. When this is exhausted, you can go ahead with the pro plan. You can sign up with your email or Google account. Just follow the steps on the screen. So when you sign up, click on create. Here we are going to paste the prompt we copied from ChatGPT. Click send to generate. Okay, this is the result. It has transformed 4 different floor plans. So what you need to do is for you to pick the best. Now step 4, refine the output. When the result appears, check for straightened lines, clean corners, consistent wall thickness, if desired, clear room labels, proper spacing. If needed, slightly adjust the prompt, like make lines thinner and more precise. Increase technical drafting appearance and create again. And note, it will be giving you different results till you get what you want. Let's download this. This is the quality. Download it. Okay, we've downloaded it. This is it. Step 5, final touches. This is optional. You can increase the contrast, convert fully to black and white if the result is not what you want. You now have a clean professional CAD style image without actually drafting it in CAD software. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and comment CAD below. I'll be sharing more AI architectural tutorials like this.